You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce the two views that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen in isometric projection. Now, if you look at these views very well, this here is the front elevation and this here is the plan. Why? Because it is in third angle projection. So in third angle projection, the plan is always on top of the elevation. So when you hear the word isometric, the first thing you have to do is for you to draw your isometric axis, right? You're going to draw your vertical line this way, the vertical line this way, the x and z axis this way, right? We have this. Can you see that? And the length, you get it from the elevation, and that's given to be what? 66, right? Because from here to here, since we are saying from here to here, so 66, and this point A, the lowest point here. So I have from 0, start taking to 66. This is 66 here. And the height you get from the elevation also, and that is 46. From here, 0, this is 46 here. And the width is given to be what? 40 you get from the plan, and it's 40. So I'll measure 40 here. From 0 to what? To 40. So I'm going to project all those points up over this way. Come here too, do the same thing. And I'll close it up. And I'll also close it up here too. And I'll close it up here too. So these two. Hope you can see that. So let me enlarge it a little bit. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing here is that from the elevation you discover that we have a thickness, and the thickness is given to be what? 14, right? So I am going to measure 14 height here from 0 to 14. So I'm just taking it one and for all. On the other end here, then it is a straight line. From that 14 I have a straight line also. So I'm going to draw that straight line with the help of my t-square and set-square. From this point, I'll take it down. From this point also, I'll take it down. And I'll move it from here and I'll stop here. That again. And the reason why I'm stopping here, you'll be like, see that from the elevation, the line is from here to here. But the plan is telling me that the line I'm seeing from here to here is ending at this point here, right? So the other part you see is from the plan, meaning that this place I'm seeing here is at the other end, not at this end, but the other end. So what I'm going to do is I'll also do the same thing here. Just draw your faint line, from here to just connect from here to here, and also your faint line from here to connect from here to here. And I'll bring it down, right? Faint line too, then connect it from here to here. You can see that. So that's what I will now do now. So I will now measure a thickness of what? From here to here, which is from here to here 14. I'll measure 14 here, 0 to 14. I'll just thicken it. Can you see that? And also a length from the elevation here of what? Of 20. So I'm going to measure 20 from here, from 0 to 2, which I will just thicken. Right? So with the help of my instrument, I can easily just project this a little bit this way so that I can connect this to it. As you can see from the screen, and also close it up to this way. Now the next thing is the height. Now since the measurement is not given, you can see that this angle here you see is touching somewhere around here, right? It's touching here and it's not given distance, only given the angle. So what you're simply going to do here is to reproduce the elevation. How did I mean? Now just let me do it somewhere around here. Now if I come here, see what I'm about to do, and I draw my line this way. Then I take my vertical line this way. This is where it's ending, right? Then the entire length is the same length as this length here. So you can easily just take it here and I'll place it here and I'll mark. Can you see that? And the entire height is the same height from here to here. And I'll place it here and I'll mark. So if I should take those points up this way and this point up this way, now I will now measure the distance of 20 as you can see from the screen. So measure the distance of 20 here from 0 to 2. That is 20. So I can just stick in it if I want to. And the height. Now we're not giving any height there, that taken. So what I will simply do here is that I'm going to measure an angle of what? 30 degrees, as you can see. It's as simple as this. Just on this line, draw an horizontal line this way, a vertical line here. Can you see that? And you place your protractor at that point. That should be this point this way. So this point you place this way on that line. Hope you can see that. So making this line here to be our point 0. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, and these are 30 here. So if I measure the 30, I'll just from here draw a line to that point and I'll stop here. So what I'll simply do here is the angle from here to here is 30 degrees. So I'll just take my compass, I'll place it here to this point. Can you see that? Because from here to here it's interchange from here to here. So if I place it from here to this point, I'll come here and I'll mark. Can you see that? So that is what I will now use my instrument. Now connect from this point straight down to this point, right? So if I should do the same thing here also, then once I've done that, I'll come here too. I'll just draw an horizontal line at this point here. So we should know that the distance from this point to this point is the same thing as saying from this point to this point. So I'll just connect it here. Then I'll bring it down this way. Right? And the other one will just from here, as you can see from the diagram, we'll move from here to here. Let me just use a vertical line. Hope you can see that. And the line you see here is closed. Then from here to here. And I'll bring it down to touch here. Then from here, touch here. Then from here, touch here. Then from here, to touch here. All together. So this is what we have here. We have successfully reproduced the figure that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen using isometric projection. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.